Hi everyone, welcome to the video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an ad in After Effects. We will provide the link to the project file in the description, so make sure to practice along. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. First, click here and create a new composition. Set the width to 1080 and height to 1920. This is the social media reel size, and set the duration to 10 seconds. Then click OK. Now double-click here to import all your images and videos. To create a shape, double-click on the Rectangle tool. Then go to Fill and select a radial gradient. To change the colors, click on the color box. I have already chosen my colors, but you can adjust them by moving the sliders. Then click OK. Now select the color stop and drag it to spread the yellow color, the first gradient color. Next, bring your images into the timeline. Arrange the leaves on the canvas. Select the mint leaf and press R to open the rotation property, then rotate it slightly. Repeat the same process for the second leaf. Now position the lemon juice bottle and press S to scale it. First, select the half lemon and scale it up so that it covers the entire canvas. Keep the playhead at the beginning, then click on the stopwatch icon next to Scale to add a keyframe. Move the playhead a few frames forward, add another keyframe, and reduce the scale to 0. Now play it back to preview the animation. Next, move the playhead back to the beginning. Go to the Position property and click on the stopwatch to add a keyframe. Move the lemon juice outside. Then move the playhead to 1 second. Add another keyframe to adjust the position of lemon juice so the juice bottle settles properly on the canvas. Now let's add a shadow to the bottle. First, draw an ellipse shape. Set it to a solid color and change the color to black. Go to Effects and Presets. Search for Gaussian Blur and apply it to the ellipse. Rename this layer to Shadow and place it below the juice bottle layer. In the Effect controls, increase the blurriness to create a soft shadow effect. Make the juice bottle the parent of the shadow layer. Move the shadow slightly outside so that when the bottle moves in, the shadow follows it naturally. Next, unhide the lemons layer and move it above the bottle. Position it properly. Start this layer at 1 second. Add a keyframe to the Position property and move the lemons outside the frame. Then move a few frames forward, add another keyframe, and bring the lemons back into place. Now search for the CC Bounce Random effect and apply it to add some natural motion. Next, animate both leaves. Press P to open the Position property. At 1 second, move the leaves outside the frame and add a keyframe. Move the playhead forward a few frames, add another keyframe, and bring the leaves back. Search Wiggle Effect and apply Wiggle Scale Effect on both leaves. Now select the Type tool and write Fresh. Increase the font size, press R to open the Rotation property, then rotate the text slightly. And start the text layer after 1 second. Search for the typewriter effect and apply it to the text layer. To create a highlight on the bottle, apply the CC Light Sweep effect. Animate its center so the light moves smoothly across the bottle. Now select the juice bottle layer and enable 3D. Create a camera 35mm. Switch to 2 views and select Top View for the second panel to adjust the camera properly. In the top view, you'll see both the bottle and the camera. Open the position property of the camera, add a keyframe, and animate the Z-axis to move upward. This will create a zoom effect at the end of the first scene. Finally, select all layers except the background, shape layer. Move the playhead to 5 seconds, press Ctrl plus Shift plus D to split the layers and delete the extra parts. Now play the animation. At 5 seconds, we'll start scene 2. First, add your images and video. Now, stretch the water splash footage to 5 seconds rotate it at 90 degrees. And set its blending mode to screen. Now move all the images for scene 2 so they start at 5 seconds on the timeline. Hold Shift, select all the images and press S to open the Scale property. Move the playhead to 6 seconds and click the stopwatch to add keyframes. Then move the playhead back to 5 seconds, set the scale to 0 and keyframes will automatically be added. Now hold Shift plus P to open the Position property for all selected images. At 5 seconds, click the stopwatch to add keyframes. Then move to 6 seconds, adjust the position of the lemon image and a new keyframe will be added. Repeat the same process for all images. Arrange the lemons and mint leaves nicely on the canvas. Now bring the juice bottle into the timeline. Copy the shadow layer from scene 1 and paste it into scene 2. Place the shadow below the bottle and start both layers at 6 seconds. Remove the previous animation from the shadow layer and parent it again to the bottle. Move the bottle outside the frame. Press P to open position. Click the stopwatch at 6 seconds to add a keyframe. Then move the playhead to 7 seconds and bring the bottle back into the scene. Now select the Type tool and add your text. Decrease the font size and rotate it slightly. Place the text layer, then search for the center spiral effect and apply it. Next, unhide the mint leaves and place them above the bottle. Start this layer at 7 seconds. Scale it up. Then, after 1 second, scale it back down. Now rotate the bottle slightly for a natural motion. First, add a keyframe with no rotation. Then move a few frames forward, rotate the bottle slightly, and another keyframe will be added. After a few more frames, reset the rotation. Now play the animation. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.